Pökinin tinki lerim ka sensi nang ken yong la chamdi shubata taring penda guwa thakar dawe cheba chuanga ta chinde chube cheba ni sabshi reselagbe sangyu lerim te koshugo yin lerim di na chino khonse kem go chomcho ushu tho shenge shide goti ki doling chongdu thing sumbate kuzuna we kordang changari kuzap tenje ari sane Portland ta Canada Vancouver sane nisu tuten jego chegi to lenshu na we kor pende chiri kale choki yaga changshar khuiki pheki konde khado Samsik na yobe kordang Dussehra tudun kapsu pheki dogar chobe pheki rikshung ta deve shena thapden sigwe shube korje shugye sangyu shipta shamla rimbesigrona Taring reslagbe ni sugar dharamsala yawe phodang to chinor khonsikem go chamacha ushu to United States Institute of Peace she ari shide dine khangki koti wo shenge shide goti ki toling chongdu thing sumbate kuzuna yobarje Nidan ni ke chongdu dir kisha yudu khachik tang Africa ta Asia ari so gekap dami chupshine shenge goti nishi chapke nimshuna to Chogun to shabsor khosam khonsikem go chamachoki kalokwi ningde de simbe tujyote lariang yongyu mebarden tade shenge namne yongyu debe tujyota khogapni tamjin nangde Mount Romi chizo deshin shide chen shigla twinthap nangko bamato Turab nishube kapsu chewe trakshu gyune kanyo sedab chebe tablam teni nuntu shigre che kazewatang Taganashi Romi shize rangshi chamsete lagdar tang Chigyur ki dushe zingwa so ki thola kalokse na yubare.
Time always moving. Time never stand still, moving. Then past is past. We cannot change past. So only possibility is future. So the generation, at present generation, you see, have some opportunity to create what kind of future. So I think in the 20th century, we really sort of thinking, use force is the sort of answer for all these problems. That's totally wrong.
Chozong koskem go choma choki kole chadu geshime wanki kang shurse nyurwata te maobar tongju kange tegyo yimba so kole namshi gyurdo ki nedente chap chenbu shikya yinje songyo bare
the climate condition, global warming, that's a very serious matter now. We cannot avoid that. Within, I think, 1 or 2 centuries, I think there is possibility the whole world become desert. Now Himalayan range, including Tibet, also now becoming, you see, the climate change already. I mentioned, you see, my own sort of experience when I first came here, Dharamsala, 1960, summer 1960, that winter, lot of snow. Now, each year pass, less. You have great opportunity to make significant contribution for better world, happier world. So I'm great honor mixing with you.
Chongdi to shenge khachi ke rang sose yudu rangni la ngosu tenyo yebe kange kha ngode tan chepchi khoskem go chombo chola kange theda seve thablam so tan tene kandi kongo che shuna yobare shize arit ne shi chebe United States Institute of Peace chebe ari kyayon tine khangdi leden zo te jongdar nangyu chembe jeship ta tangna shi zo ta de zen shung che la tunke jote so nang de Tukzu rik teshin shide denbe zamling shik twintap nangshin yobatang lakwar to zonyo jenki gekop kato kange terik setap su sane sato ki deyo tang nyamrup kone ledun pe nangshin yobare do lerim di koti shusho soke kola deyo ne deyo nangse
And we bring them to Dharamsala. We provide them with training on conflict management and leadership skills before they meet with His Holiness. And they'll take those skills along with the lessons that they learn from His Holiness, and they'll bring those back to their communities to inform the work that they do as they build peaceful societies. Talking about how does a youth leader engage a religious leader or a political leader in their community so that they can bridge the gap, and so that these youth leaders can contribute effectively to peace in their community.
초선 din에 kanyo cheve yu Tunisia ta Africa kune chejar shenge ni la chongdur jawe komik ta mao migyu te dubdab khandan nangyu yemba so take shenge te ni ki jode.
Today, it was my first time I've met the Dalai Lama, a person, His Holiness, a person whose all his quotes were on my Facebook when I was young, all his books, everyone was inspired by him, so you can imagine the impact of the moment. And when I talked to him, he was like so attentive and so focused on what I'm saying, and he was answering each question with really in a smart way, really in a touching way. So I'm really inspired and I'm really proud that I've been part of this opportunity. We have a project called Peace Not Pieces that usually works on building and nurturing a generation of peace ambassadors all over Africa.
I personally was affected because I lost my grandpa, my younger brother, and my uncle in the same day. You know, it was not easy for me as a young and a youth. You know, I had the feeling like a trauma. You know, a feeling of trauma. So, you know, I start working, you know, as a peace builder in my community. It's like because I have the feelings of revenge and I have the feeling of trauma. So I am very, very, impacted and I'm very, very impressed. During the intervention of His Holiness, that, you know, we nation, we are all, we people, we are all. We have to develop more compassion in education in order to love each other.
Nyalam tseba nishu ta nishu tsajik je sosor changari kuzab tenjo ngudu zirila. Arisane Portland nupchang pemi rikshung tsokwa tsune longo nyernga kowe tuten zegu ta. Canada nupchang Vancouver sane perik tsokwe kodinawe. Konskem go chombo chola serki tangma pyune longo chukji kowe. Tuchen ki zegwe kundun tsowor che lenshu ki mangzola sungshe na do. Zegwe tenyi ki tola tunjo ngudu tsirin laki, sane pemi nam tunde tamsab goba tang, lakwar tu shunke tsor pyo ki geyik tang che rikshung, yarab sangche teta minyam gyunzin tupgyur, pama tang genpa tse mikse tugen she goba so suna do. Portland nupchang pemi rikshung tsowa tsune longo nyenga kowe tuten zegwe gab, chokshu jitu tsangwa rinzi laki, Nyalam kub churukbe pemi man chitu lenzo ki trezo, tola trejo kangchungwa soki tola sungshe na yubatre. Shenyang zego te to arir shibu leshi kone sanne sujorwe, pemi nam ki jinda yumi nam denshu ki tuji cheshu chenda re pina wamase, arir sanne ka chingne denshu nawe pyo ki doga chokbe, sheba ta shema surba ka chingne shena tabde so nangdu. Zego te ni ki tola kongshu sanne pyo chokwa suse chokzo ngone, Ledom Ningdu Re Nyente Nangdo. Pemitik Zuki Churi Kalun Yuto Kamagele Chonki Yaga Changshar Kuiki, Pegu Nangdenki, Gwende Kala, Samsi Nangdo. Tenyang Chindu Chube Tseba Gene, Nishu Tsaksum Parto Nindan Chungering, Kalun Chone Yaga Changshar, Tenzi Gangtang, Bomdila, Dirang, Tawang, Meo, Tizu, Shilongje, Saneka Dunki Na, Tenshi Chepe, Rime Gwende Kaki, Churatan, Tenkang, Zinkang, Tasha, Yikzang penzu sola sigo nang yubamase, Gwangka susu ken lene namdang jete jenangde, Pemitik zu churi lekune rime gonde kana, Tungyu roram kangtuk chegyu tola bezun shugyu yingkordang, Lakwar tu gonde kado sangi ki temba zingyong pesumki, Laba lomnyen nangcho tela mudu kongpe tongcho ki, Lamdun sungshe jenawamase, Ginduban namla mangchetang nyingkur hingo gyare bunadu. Kalun chone kyaga changsha kuiki pyoki gwende kala tsamsik drube jesu, kuite pemi lobda kata chöden menkang, tangnashi sani gunzi legun sosu sigoya nayobamase, mimang chongdu tola pemi diksu ki siju, nime ume lamki korta ngandingabju chanangkor, 진노 콘스캠군 첨부초기 가고 닝장기 표 집에 된도 샴딕 드루거바 소키 거라 랑도 람데 나도 링민 관련 전에 슈거 드럼살라 쿠이도 대시 제베 베규낭 땡기 꼰데 칼라 섬식 낭자리요 버레도 다른 게 레림기 타마르 야가르 창조 히마철 나데 쿨루산의 정변당 다시라 되된 쿠딕 소종기 겐지 셴바 직전에 쿨루산의 권진 레공규 베기 뼈가 저와 레규시된다 카니 사다베니 쿨루 야가르기 되된 다시라 급수 베기 뼈가 저번에 베기 릭슝탄 테베 셴나 탑데 시부 슈나요바당 라과르도 야가르 슈마니라 투지 제슈 레림탄테네 체딩나베 투지 제슈 루셰제 시부 슈나도 팅디 tu된 제고토 벽이 되어갈 저번에 벽이 투모마이베 릭숑당 ngô 대다 탑된 길람네 시부 슈버 망종원네 심규단자데 가서 슈제나도 다른 기생규레림 디자미니 벽이 인티네 양신 슈신 예배 니레니레 레림 차자 샴기 타게 가장 균에 시교여 샴라 벽이 멘지칸네 둔다지기 지데 로드데 시로나
샴기 지데니 변도급의 체 주중네 체니 전이 바탕 양나 친다 주베 체 이장안에 체 숨소직 발인 사고 대인랑 체제 상화 찍래매 체제 상화 찍대니 변도급의 체 주중 양나 친다 주베 체 이장아래서 부부 대인 갑들 중들 상외 링고 하서 동화 농달 주바 팀로 주득 제바 라도 중화 소 레든 계지릭 우주나나 시도 상화인 현양인들 칼게 남고 켈두베 강바사리아다 강바 얌소 제바 강바 내부 제바 소라 녀바 임베 전그 된다 디낭 레든 계지릭 초상 호드 뇌라 때네 좀나 상화인 현양 초 눕텔라 방그 대신 배제 니슈인 추자 켈베 닌들 초교탄 dim들 소 나나인 개대 dim들 자교체 도저난고 도저니 김내 마튼 공라 자자낭도 추자나 년제 시월 지기 질 체제상의 강인양 라사 소사 키드 계제 레드릭 우주나나 상원인 셰사 키드 계제 레드릭 우주나나 옌바인